Today we're working on a 2017 Dodge Journey. We're going to replace the rear windshield wiper. Now this thing can be a real pain in the butt if you don't know how to do it. We'll show you how to go from this to this. First thing you do is put your fingers behind the wiper at the base and push forwards toward yourself on the tab. Now with this out of the way, you have free movement of the entire wiper to move in and out. Now to change the actual wiper blade, pivot it out till it clicks, then push it away from the wiper to clear the hook. Then to install the new wiper, simply reverse the steps. Push the wiper into the hook, then pivot and click. Place the arm back down and push the base tab back in. That's it, you're done.